Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this series of lectures, we will be talking about photosynthesis, and this is the first lecture from photosynthesis, which is the introduction of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is composed of two words. The first one is photo, which means light, and the next one is synthesis, which means to prepare. It means preparation of food by the help of light. This is actually a process in different organisms such as green plants, algae, and some bacteria. In this process, these organisms prepare their organic food. What is their organic food? Their organic food is glucose, and this glucose is synthesized by inorganic substances. The inorganic substances which help in preparation of glucose, they are carbon dioxide and H2O, water. In this process, we call it photosynthesis. It means light is required in this preparation of glucose. The light source, what is the light source? There is sun. This light comes from sun, and there are different pigments present in organisms which capture light. These pigments are chlorophyll, and carotenoids, and some pigments which are present in algae. They also capture light. They are phycobilins. Carbon dioxide reacts with H2O in the presence of sunlight, and the sunlight is captured by different pigments, and the product which we get, there is C6H12O6, and oxygen is also released as byproduct. There are two phases photosynthesis is completed. The first phase is known as light reactions, and the next phase is dark reactions. The total photosynthesis is completed in two different phases, light reactions and dark reactions. In the upcoming lectures from photosynthesis, we will be talking about different topics such as site of photosynthesis, After that, we will discuss about photosynthetic pigments in detail. After pigments, we will discuss about nature of light required for photosynthesis. And after light, we will be discussing about different photosystems, which are photosystem 1, we call it PS1, and PS2, photosystem 2. After photosystem, we will talk about the mechanism of photosynthesis. The mechanism of photosynthesis involves light reaction and dark reactions. After mechanism of photosynthesis, we will be talking about photorespiration. And after photorespiration, we will be talking about C4 pathway. and chem pathway. After chem pathway, we'll be talking about different factors which affect the rate of photosynthesis. Factors affecting the rate of photosynthesis.